Hi, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. Today, I want to talk with you about what it would cost for you to remodel your bathroom. Let's start with a basic bathroom, a 5 by 8 or 5 by 9 bathroom, which includes a tub, a toilet, and a vanity. What we would start with would be to take out the tub and to replace it with an acrylic tub, an acrylic surround. The floor could be either vinyl or laminate floor. We can put in a basic vanity with a culture marble top on it, or even a pedestal sink. Everything would be in white, or the fixtures themselves, the plumbing fixtures would be in chrome. We can use a shower curtain rod for around the tub. A project like that would run somewhere in the $10,000 to $14,000 range. Let's say you wanted to notch it up and add tile. So now the next level, we would actually put an acrylic tub or even a steel tub in place, and we would use tile on the floor, and then we would put tile around the tub, a little niche in the tub area so that you can put your soap and shampoo bottles, and we can even do a glass door, a sliding glass door for the tub, a new toilet, all new accessories, the mirror, the vanity light, a new exhaust fan. A project like that can run somewhere between $15,000 and $20,000. Now, let's say you really want to notch it up. The next level would be to put some really nice selected tile in place, maybe some natural stone. We can take the tub and maybe convert the tub over to a shower itself and do a tile floor down on the shower floor, a new tile on the floor of the bathroom. We add some accessories, including a really nice vanity, maybe a semi-custom vanity with a real nice top on it, granite or quartz. And when we get into a project like that, now we're talking somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000. And a lot of that depends on things like, are you going to move the plumbing around? Are you going to add electricity? Maybe you'll put some heated floors. But anyway, that should give you some basic ideas of what bathrooms cost. And if you need any more information, give us a call. Thanks for listening.